Explanation of will along with 50 example sentences to help you learn how to use it correctly in English. What is will? Will is a modal verb used to talk about future actions, promises or offers, decisions made at the moment of speaking. It is followed by the base form of the verb, know, ing, know, ed. Basic usage patterns of will. 1. Subject plus will plus base verb. I will go. She will come. 2. Will plus subject plus base verb. 4 questions. Will you help me? 3. Subject plus will not, won't, plus base verb, 4 negatives. I will not come. I won't be late. 50 example sentences using will. Future plans and intentions. 1. I will go to school tomorrow. 2. She will visit her grandmother. 3. They will travel to London next week. 4. He will join the meeting. 5. We will buy a new car. 6. I will clean my room later. 7. She will start her new job soon. 8. He will come home late. 9. They will move to a new house. 10. I will make dinner tonight. 11. She will take the exam next month. 12. We will attend the wedding. 13. He will call you soon. 14. I will meet you at 5 p.m. 15. They will play cricket in the evening. Promises or offers. 16. I will help you. 17. Don't worry, I will be there. 18. I will always support you. 19. We will never forget this. 20. I will pay you back tomorrow. 21. I will do my best. 22. I will wait for you. 23. She will keep your secret. 24. I will bring the documents. 25. We will take care of it. Quick decisions. 26. I'm hungry, I will order food. 27. It's cold, I will close the window. 28. I will get the phone. 29. I will open the door. 30. We will take the stairs. 31. I will check and tell you. 32. I will call a taxi. 33. I will talk to the manager. 34. We will fix it. 35. I will let you know. Negative sentences, won't or will not. 36. I won't be late. 37. She won't come today. 38. They won't agree. 39. He will not join us. 40. I will not eat junk food. 41. You won't regret this. 42. We will not go out in the rain. 43. She will not believe it. 44. I won't do it again. 45. They will not cancel the event. Questions using will. 46. Will you come with me? 47. Will it rain tomorrow? 48. Will she be okay? 49. Will they accept the offer? 50. Will we meet again?